Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can remove conditional formatting from our table in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, as you can see that here I have applied conditional formatting to this card column and I'm going to remove it. So first of all, we can select the column like this and we're going to click on this A icon, and here we have to click on this conditional formatting. Here I have applied two rules, and if we want to remove this conditional formatting, we just need to click on this button like this. And now as you can see that the rule of this conditional formatting has been removed, and I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, and then we can click on this check mark after we're done removing the conditional formatting. And as you can see that the conditional formatting has been totally removed from this core column. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove conditional formatting of our table in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.